Plants in the seasons. Many plants change with the seasons. Some plants begin to grow in spring. They grow bigger in summer, and then flowers bloom on some plants. Fruit grows on some plants too. By summer or fall, many fruits are ripe and ready to eat. In some places, trees change with the seasons. In spring, leaves form. By summer, trees are full of leaves. In fall, leaves change color and drop. By winter, trees are bare. This pattern repeats year after year. Where plants live. Plants live in different places. Some plants live in deserts. A desert is a dry place. Very little rain falls. Cactus plants have thick stems. These stems help cactus plants live in deserts. When it does rain in the desert, the stems store rainwater inside. Some plants live on prairies. A prairie is a large area of flat land. Prairies can be very windy. Many grasses live on prairies. Grasses have stems that bend in the wind. They do not break. These special stems help grasses live on prairies.